Welcome. Let me introduce you to Pineal 10X, a revolutionary 100% natural liquid supplement designed to detoxify and activate your pineal gland, also known as the third eye, helping you unlock mental clarity, spiritual awakening, and lasting energy. What is Pineal 10X and how does it work? Based on a secret formula that combines ancient wisdom with modern science, Pineal 10X uses a triple action system to cleanse, decalcify, and energize your pineal gland. Detox and remove blockages. Key ingredients like iodine, zeolite, clinoptilolite, and chlorella help remove fluoride and toxins that cause pineal calcification. Advanced decalcification. Turmeric and spirulina help dissolve calcium buildup and restore pineal health. Energy and brain support. Adaptogens like ashwagandha, maca root, damiana, and tribulus terrestris, along with vitamins B6 and C, enhance focus, memory, and sustained natural energy. Key ingredients. Each dropper of Pineal 10X contains a rare and powerful blend of vitamin B6 and vitamin C, iodine, zeolite, clinoptilolite, chlorella and spirulina, turmeric, ashwagandha root, maca root, damiana leaf, tribulus terrestris. 100% natural, non-GMO, no chemicals, no stimulants, easy to use. Main benefits: deep pineal gland detox and decalcification, boosted focus, memory, and mental clarity, improved sleep cycles and circadian rhythm, elevated intuition, vivid dreams, and spiritual connection, long-lasting energy without harmful stimulants. Special offer and bonuses: order 3 or 6 bottles today and get free shipping on 3 or 6 bottles. 2 exclusive digital bonuses, valued at $158. Secrets of Psychic Mastery, a step-by-step guide to activating your third eye and awakening your psychic abilities. Quantum Manifestation Formula, discover how to manifest love, health, wealth, and happiness with simple proven methods. 365-day money-back guarantee, 100% risk-free. Pricing options: 6 bottles, $39 per bottle, best value, $234 total, 3 bottles, $49 per bottle, most popular, $147 total, 1 bottle, $59 per bottle. Real user testimonials: I feel more mental clarity and spiritual connection. It's like my third eye is finally open. Monique S., Sedona, things started flowing in my life effortlessly. Even my relationship improved. Jack P., Tampa. Are you ready to unlock your third eye, boost your natural energy, and awaken your full potential? Click the Order Now button and secure your discounted Pineal 10X bottles today, while supplies last. Pineal 10X, detox, activate, awaken.